So students, today in this video we are going to discuss all the important objective type questions related to your topic tragicomedy. And all these 10 questions, I have sorted out only 10 questions. All these are supposed to be asked in the exam. The very first is tragicomedy blends aspects of, tragicomedy blends, there is a mixture of what? Because tragicomedy blends aspects of both. You will be given 4 options, and out of those 4 options this one will be also there, both tragic and comic. Tragicomedy blends aspects of both tragic and comic. This is your answer out of your 4 option. You will find all these option 2 there. So this is why that I am giving you only the answers, not the options. Tragicomedy is a serious play. Tragicomedy is a serious play with a happy ending. There is always a happy ending. Which one is Shakespearean tragicomedy? You will be given 4 option, 4 tragicomedies, name of 4 plays of William Shakespeare, and out of those you have to answer, you have to tick only to the correct one. So that one will be there, the Tempest of William Shakespeare. That is a tragicomedy, right? The Tempest is the Shakespearean drama and it is a tragicomedy. Which one? This means that you will be given 4 options and you have to sort out of those which one is Shakespearean tragicomedy. The Tempest. Tragicomedy is a mixture of, then you will be given 2, 4, 5, in this way you will be given option and you have to mark only 2. Tragicomedy is a mixture of 2, that is tragedy and comedy, or tragic and comic. Who coined the term tragicomedy, right? Who coined this term tragicomedy? It was Plautus. Plautus, he was a Roman dramatist. You can also be asked that who was Plautus? Plautus was a Roman dramatist and he coined the term tragicomedy. Plautus. Who is the father of tragicomedy? Of course, now the language of the question may be changed, but the answer will be same. Who coined or who is the father? Who is the father of tragicomedy? Same, that is Roman dramatist Plautus. Plautus was, then you will be given here the option you have to put here out of 4, comic or Roman. Plautus was a comic writer, or you can be asked whether he was a Roman or a French writer. So Plautus was a Roman comic dramatist or Roman comic writer. Got? Next one is tragicomedy was criticized by. Tragicomedy was criticized by, then there will be left the space for you to answer. And now you will be given so many options, but out of those options it will be answer Sidney. Tragicomedy was criticized by Sidney, Milton, Edison. Joseph Edison, John Milton, Philip Sidney. They all criticized tragicomedy. What was the first work to be called a tragicomedy? What was the first work? And it was Amphitryo. Amphitryo, that is Amphitryo. Amphitryo. And the last one is most important. Who said? You will be given a statement, a definition, or who said, who uttered, whose statement is this? Tragicomedy is one of the most monstrous inventions that ever entered into a poet's thoughts. One of the most monstrous inventions, and it was said by Joseph Edison. So all these were important questions of tragicomedy.